Please read the operation manual carefully before using the equipment. In it, you will find all the instructions regarding operation and safety. Before connecting the tool to the air line, make sure the compressed air is clean filtered and dry. Hook up quick connects to the tool and then open the air valve. Check if the air pressure is at 6 bars. Dress the strap around the package to be strapped. Open up CP by pulling the air motor against the lever. Push the two straps, one on top of the other and aligned through the opening between the base plate and the tool body, till it stops against the inner strap guides. Release the air motor handle to hold straps in place. The straps will be compressed between the tension die and traction wheel. Push down the blue plunger to start tensioning the strap around the package. Keep pressing until the air motor stalls. Start friction welding and strap cutoff by giving a quick pulse to the red plunger. After the friction welding, an adjustable delay cooling time will take place. Then you will hear air coming out through a valve, releasing the upper friction welding die. Push the black plunger to start moving the tool backwards and release the pressure on the base plate. To remove the tool, push the motor against the lever, lifting to the transport wheel, and then move the tool slightly sideways counterclockwise. The strapping is then finished. The CP500 is delivered adjusted to work with the desired PET strap specified on the customer's order. Should any adjustment be required, replace the strap guides according to the strap width to be used, which may be either 13, 16, or 19 or 0.5 millimeters according to these steps. Remove the screws that hold the base plate. Change the inner strap guide, checking if the number stamped on its top indicates the desired strap width. Proceed in the same way to change the front guide. Remove the screws and adjust the exit strap guide. Make sure that it's positioned with the desired strap width on the upper left corner. Put the removed part back on, making sure all screws are well tightened. To avoid interference between the transport wheel spikes and the tension die, please follow these procedures. Loosen the limit bar screw and base plate screw, turning them counterclockwise. Tighten the limit bar screw, turning it clockwise, till the clearance between the transport wheel and the tension die gets to 0.1 through 0.2 millimeters. Use a flexible strip of paper as a gauge instead of a stiff shim stock blade. Tighten the base screw, turning it clockwise, till the clearance between the transport wheel and tension die gets to 0.2 through 0.3 millimeters. According to the strap type being used, the traction must be adjusted by adjusting the airflow screw at the rear end of the traction motor. Turning the screw clockwise will reduce the traction. Turning the screw counterclockwise will increase the traction. To adjust the friction welding time, turn the screw on the valve assembly clockwise to increase the welding time and turn counterclockwise to reduce it. The CP500 tool is delivered with a factory preset cooling time and strap release that applies to most of the applications. This adjustment affects the welding joint resistance. Should a new adjustment be required, follow these instructions. Unhook pneumatic hoses. Remove the side screws and take out the valve set cover. Loosen up the nut and turn the adjusting screw clockwise to increase cooling time or counterclockwise to decrease it. Hook up air hoses and check if the cooling time is adequate. Repeat this procedure till you reach the desired cooling time. Tighten down the nut and put the valve set cover back on. Hook up air hoses. To replace the knife, here are the steps you should follow. Unhook the hoses, the screws, and remove the welding air motor. Remove the knife spring carefully because it is tensioned. Pull down the knife holder, loosen the screw, and replace the knife catcher. Assemble all the parts back to their original positions.